Oh, well, hello, boys. Today, we jump across the pond for some crumpets and spotted dick. Join us in the British countryside for an exclusive event that we probably shouldn't have been invited to. Welcome back to yet another episode of Salomondrin. That's right, that's how I pronounce it.
Good morning, and just like everybody, we're confused, we don't know what's going on. We're heading out to Eton right now in the Allard, in the Cayenne, in the E-Type, 458, and the Lusso. So it should be a pretty good convoy, and especially through all these fancy British roads. Let's do this, guys!
Everyone make sure to be on the right side of the road.
On the right? No, on the left, on the left! British mornings. Farghini, do you feel fancy?
I do.
Good.
This is an amazing day. I feel very British. Oh, hello!
Charlie, are we gonna see Harry Potter?
Harry Potter. A serious question. Where can I see the royal wedding stuff?
It's not here.
What do you mean?
It's not. We're probably 5-10 minute drive away from the royal wedding stuff, so we could see it later.
5 and 10 minute drive?
Yeah, we could see it later.
Finally, the royal wedding!
Cold start, Charlie.
Let's go!
Whoa!
Let's go.
Thank you. Let's do this.
How are you, Coach? Because there's a lot of foot room. It's got such a long nose.
Look, stop talking about Farsha while he's here.
Oh, come on, guys. Holy shit, look at this.
Yeah, right?
Oh, yeah.
I never saw this. Vámonos!
Look at good old Farghini. He doesn't even fit in that car. You look like a cartoon right now. If he knew this, he would be proud. I promise you. Here we are. It looks like we're at the entrance. Basically, I'm just not gonna film anymore. This is me stopping because I don't know if I'm allowed to film because, you know, Harry Potter and stuff, so. So this is the first time ever the school has accepted to have a car event. This is gonna be a first. I don't know what to expect. I don't think anyone knows what to expect, and that's the exciting part about this. No expectations whatsoever, make always for a great time. Let's go! Farghini! We found you, Nick, and you do look like Harry Potter. This is incredible.
I'm literally like a butler.
Do you have a little wand that does anything?
This is Downton Abbey. This is Highclere Castle right here.
And by the way, guys, Nick is the one that put all of this together, which I can't even do that at my age as an adult. So congratulations, Nick. We're not gonna embarrass you in front of all of your friends. Don't worry about it.
Can you tell us what this is, though? What is going on?
So basically, it's an old classic car event. Basically, we're organising at Eton, and the 4th of June is basically a day where all parents come. So there are about 5,000 people coming.
Holy crap!
By the way, today's June 16th.
I know, but we call it the.
It was close though. It was really close.
just small.
Now here's something you and I will never play.
Is this some sort of weird baseball?
It's baseball for just white people. Oh!
What's going on? What is this?
And now that guy's gonna throw the ball. Boom!
They have no gloves.
Yeah, no gloves.
They're going raw.
Well,
They're going raw on the ball.
So this would have been the original school from like 400 years ago?
600, yeah.
6 fucking 100 years ago.
Did any of your relatives come here by any chance?
Our shot. Farsha,
Were any
if
of your
anything,
relatives
they
staff
came
here?
and cleaned this. Yeah, exactly. Wow.
Hey, is there a board that shows you all the staff throughout the 400 years?
This is insane. Look at that door.
Who's that?
Wow.
Medusa.
No, that's Medusa's head.
Medusa's head, yeah.
So that's Apollo. What's his name?
So, Perseus.
Oh, yeah. I fucking love history.
Perseus' huevos mucho grande, ¿no?
Do you feel a part of it now?
Oh my god, I feel it. You know what I mean?
Do you feel smart?
How does this look? Here you look.
Does it feel like a movie set? Like, does it feel like a movie?
It does. We
Like
just
the extras
we just
go.
walked from there into here, and that's a library, so that's awesome. This is still all a part of the campus. Where's Harry Potter?
Are you part of the college?
Yes, we're.
You're all together, yeah?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry.
Is it because I'm Mexican?
Not at all.
It's fine.
But when you see, there's no problem. But when you see people come in and immediately start taking pictures, you think they're possibly tourists. Yeah, no worries. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. I filmed it. I filmed it. When I asked him if I was Mexican.
Hey, good news. He didn't get you because you're Mexican. He thought you were a terrorist. That's great.
Oh, yeah.
Moving up in the world.
Whoa! This is a church. A chapel. I'm sorry, buddy. A chapel. Holy crap. Everything here is crazy spectacular. Look at the statue there. Oh, dude, people are about to fence. Farghini's fantasy dream. These guys are doing it up. And look at it. They have cables right here, so they're wired so that whenever they get an actual point, it goes into the machine there. I'm guessing that's the judge. He was explaining all of the rules. That is dope. Yeah, I want to see the oldest room.
Yeah, do you want to see the oldest room in the school?
What is this? What? Farsha, there's a guy staring down on. Farghini just informed me that according to his research and his study, we are what?
The lowest class people here. No question. Undisputed.
Undeniably.
Yeah.
Undeniably.
Just look, just do a scan here.
Oh, it's getting really fucking packed now.
Yeah.
All right, and we're walking behind Nick. We're gonna see each one of these cars that he was able to bring to the event and invite to the event, and we're gonna check them all out. We're gonna tell you what they are, but we're gonna focus just on our favorite ones, okay? So please don't be mad. There's just too many cars. It's about to rain, so convertibles have their top on. Wow, that's a fancy-ass dog. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Holy shit. Okay, we got Nick with us, and he's going to be our car expert, and he's going to tell you what this car is right now. What is that,
So
Nick?
this is a Ferrari 246L.
And how much do they go for?
Roughly £400,000 or 500,000 euros.
Holy shit! All right, that.
So this is the Bentley Continental Type R, and it's roughly worth £1.1 million.
Okay.
$499 a month?
This is not a modern Alfa Romeo.
$399 a month.
So what is this?
It's going to be you're gonna have to spend so much money because it's gonna break every 2 seconds.
So what is
So
this?
it's an Alfa Romeo Giulietta. It's about £40,000, which is $50,000 US.
Wow, that is beautiful.
This is a Bristol 303. I do not know the value at all.
It looks crazy, and they kept everything very original.
No, so actually at the front, it looks like the old BMWs. You know those? old
Yeah,
BMWs,
you're right.
And the
And he's got like the kidney grill.
The history about it is they used to have cars called Fraser Nash, which were racing cars, and the inspiration came from that, and they plugged it right on there. So that's why it looks very similar. So this is the Ferrari 275 GTS. This one's about £1.7 million because it's right-hand drive, and they only made about 12 right-hand drive cars.
Holy shit! What's that?
So this is the Ferrari Daytona Spyder. So they made very, very few of these. This is
It's like a body kit, right?
Yeah, it looks like a body, like a conversion.
Okay.
But it's about £2.7 million.
What?
Yeah.
This is all factory?
Yeah, all factory. So
Whoa, that's a Maserati.
yeah,
What's
it's
that?
Maserati Bora. It's an amazing car. If you look,
No, Bora.
no, Maserati Bora, and they're about £90,000 or less, depending on the spec.
So for sure, $499. This one, for sure.
Oh my God, what is that?
So that's the Aston Martin Db6. It looks like a DB5, but it's actually a DB6. It's about £300,000 roughly.
Ooh, this looks like a $3 million car.
Oh, hang on. What exactly is this?
So this is a Aston Martin Db5 shooting brake. It's basically a rebody. So this guy called Bradford wanted people to go shooting, and he just literally built these just so he can fit his guns in the back. It's crazy.
That is pretty baller.
Built 12 of them apparently. Only 12 of these were built.
Yeah.
Pasha,
12.
you just read it there.
Why would you?
Hey, Farghini, why don't you throw me a stat on this one?
This is the Alpha Trofeo.
He doesn't have anything underneath it,
Alpha
you see?
suit.
Oh, so you don't know anything about it, huh?
Trofeo Tree Speciale.
Well, we know it's a Trofeo.
So what exactly is this?
This is a Jaguar Mark 1, 1957. Did the Monte Carlo Rally in 1958.
How much is it worth it?
Oh, 200 grand or so. It's with DK Engineering for sale if you need it.
Holy shit! That's amazing. Also, where's Nick?
Where's Nick?
I've seen that in your garage. What's
Yeah,
that?
So it's a Jaguar E-Type, obviously, and it's a Series 1, and it's very special because it's a flat floor, so it's a 12th one made, and so roughly now, because it's right-hand drive, they're about £400,000. It's an amazing value for money.
You let Charlie drive this? What? What is this?
This is the Ferrari 250 SWB, stands for short wheelbase. And this one's about £7 million.
So why is it out in the open and people are walking by with champagne bottles?
I know. I've seen a couple of people.
Oh boy, let's get out of here. Buddy, you're gonna cream yourself, but Nicky got us access to this $7 million on a $7 million machine. Okay. Well, holy crap, Nicky, what's so crazy about this?
So it's a 250 short wheelbase. They made very few, but it's especially expensive because of its right-hand drive. They made very few in right-hand drive. So it's also a one-off color, so they didn't actually make any.
Really?
Color.
Holy this is beautiful. See, back in the day, Ferraris weren't so bare and they had all of the stuff inside that every other luxury car had, even though it was
little screws.
It only makes sense. Wow. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like crazy leather.
Look at this. $7.5 million.
It smells like $7.5 million for sure.
Listen, second I touch this car.
Can I put my little ass in there?
Yeah.
Oh my God, get ready, guys. I am so sad for everyone that's watching that loves Ferraris, that thinks I hate them, because oh, this is incredible. Look at all, buddy, look at all these things.
Oh my God, I immediately feel like I could play a saxophone.
I know, right?
Whoa. Feel the steering wheel though. Like that's just raw material.
Jesus. I don't want to touch anything and ruin anything. Also the windows. Even look at
Guys,
these.
do you hear the jazz music in the background?
It is playing in the background. The little details of the cars. God, even the roof of it and the little mirrors. I don't know. There's something. Oh, look at these, buddy.
I gotta sit in this. Do you think they'll let me? I gotta sit in this. I gotta try. No. Sorry. Sorry.
Well, hello, boys on the plane.
Hello.
What is this beautiful thing?
So this is the Mercedes-Benz 190 SL. So this one's had about 3,000 hours worth of restoration, which is incredible.
It looks brand new.
So it's basically brand new, so it's about £250,000.
That is well worth
That's a
it.
great value. That's a great value.
The spec is
It's insane. These are my favorite. Every night I fantasize about finding one on eBay.
Oh, okay. Sorry. You're like,
What? Far shot fantasizing.
Yeah,
that's a
you
little much.
Conversation. Far shot every night. I fantasize about
This on eBay. I mean, the white walls, but forget about that. They spent so much money restoring this one.
Look at the inside.
Guys, if I could buy any of these cars today, it would be this one. And it doesn't have that many kilometers on it either. 4,500. Holy shit! And look at this.
This is one of the best values for your money here, no?
There's no question about it. The appeal of it, it kind of looks like an SL, like the SL Goldwing.
Yeah.
And that car is $1.2 million more expensive than this one, which is crazy. Whoa. Lamborghini. What is that?
Lamborghini Countach 5000 QV. Stunning car, amazing. It's about £300,000.
Ooh, that's a lot of car for the money. Everyone keeps stopping and looking at the Lamborghini. Like right now, if you want to buy it, it's $300,000. This is the one everyone stops and looks at.
You know what it looks like? Cut that off the back and make a big square on the back. It looks like the Vector.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
That era, they all wanted
to be like Lamborghini.
Yeah. I want your best British accent and British walk and everything.
Well, hello, boys.
Can I be honest with you?
Yeah.
Everyone else wearing this looks like a proper British lad. You look like a a circus performer.
I think it looks awesome. Look, hey.
Hang on. Do I look like a street magician?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
Hold on. Watch your back. By the way, how cool is that? A pizza oven made out of the back of a Mini Cooper. Farghini, he ain't gonna run. Oh shit! Look at Buddy. Look at Buddy. You can't put like a jazz, like anyone there with a band and white people around.
If you just look at Buddy, do you agree he blends in with that one else?
I would never be able to tell who he is. Look at this guy. Oh.